How to delete all your Facebook photos at once. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch your Facebook application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now tap on your profile and then select on your profile name. Here you can see the option of three dotted lines beside edit profile, so simply tap on it. On the profile settings, you can see the option of activity log, so select on activity log. As you do that, tap on your Facebook activity. Scroll down and here you can see the option of post, so select on manage post. Now you can see the option of filters over here, so simply tap on filters and then select on categories. Then tap on your posts, photos and videos. So this will show all your posts and videos over here on your Facebook. So here you get to see the option of all. So simply tap on all and here you can see the option of trash. Now if you click on trash, it will delete all the posts of Facebook at once over here if you tap on move to trash. So that's how you delete all your Facebook photos at once. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.